Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Coaching Katta and I am your online coach Mrs. Anupriti Gajre. If you have not subscribed yet, then click on the subscribe button and stay connected. Press bell icon to get notifications. Today we are going to study Science 1 for Standard 10th. Let us start with second chapter, that is periodic classification of elements part 2. The topics covered in this video are Newland's law of octaves and limitations of Newland's octaves law. In the previous video, we discussed about the need of the classification of elements and Doberanner's law of triads. Also, the limitations of the Doberanner's law. To overcome the limitations of Doberanner's triads law, other methods of classifying elements were developed. Newland's law of octaves. The English scientist John Newland was the first who arranged the elements according to their properties. He arranged the known elements according to their properties and also in an increasing order of their atomic masses. He placed all the known 56 elements in the table of 7 by 8. For that, he formed a table of 56 boxes as 7 into 8 form. He found that the every eighth element in the given row had similar properties to that of the first. Newlands compared this similarity with octaves in music and called it as law of octave. Let us know more about the octaves in music. In the Indian music system, there are 7 main notes, namely sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and their collection is called saptak. The frequency of the notes goes on increasing from sa to ni. Then comes the sa of the upper saptak at the double frequency of the original sa. It means that the notes repeat after completion of one saptak. The 7 notes in the Western music are do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. The note do having double the original frequency comes again at the 8th place. This is the octave of Western notes. Newlands compared the similarity of elements with the octaves in music and named the law as octaves law. He found that the similarity between first and eighth element. Here are the some examples of Newland's law. First pair, lithium and sodium. This pair shows similarity with the properties. Here, sodium is placed at the 8th place from lithium. Second pair was beryllium and magnesium. See here, magnesium is at the 8th place from beryllium. Other pairs are shown in this diagram. Let us see one by one. Boron and aluminium, carbon and silicon, nitrogen and phosphorus, oxygen and sulfur, fluorine and chlorine. These pairs shows similarity in the properties, and the second element placed at the eighth position from the first element. So Newlands compared the similarity with the octaves in the music and named the law as Newlands law of octave. Let us see the table formed by Newlands. So in this table, Newlands fit all the 56 elements which were known at that time. For that, he prepared 56 boxes. In the table, he formed 7 to 8, that is 56 boxes. Newlands placed the elements which have similar properties under the same notes. See here, lithium and sodium, they are placed under the same note. Similarly, beryllium, magnesium are placed under the note Mi. Boron, aluminium, this pair is placed under the note Fa, and so on. Now, there are some limitations in the Newlands octaves law. Let us see one by one. Newlands could arrange only 56 elements. This law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Newlands placed 2 elements each in some boxes to accommodate all the known elements in the table. For example, cobalt and nickel, Ce and La. In the table, if we have seen the table, cobalt and nickel are placed under the same note in the single box, that is under the note Do. He placed some elements with different properties under the same note in the octaves. For example, cobalt and nickel are metals, but still they were placed along with the halogens with fluorine, chlorine under the same note, that is Do. On the other hand, Fe is the metal, but still it was placed away from the other metals along with the non-metals, that is oxygen and sulfur under the note T. There is no provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. The properties of the new elements discovered later on did not fit in the Newlands law of octaves. So, these are the limitations of Newlands octaves. Write down the main points in your notebook and go through it. Thank you.